ours. Our word of the day is organize. That means bringing gentle order to things, whether it's your thoughts, your room, or a group project. On the count of 3, let's say organize together. 1, 2, 3. Organize. Great job.
I make a list and think it through. I start with 1, then go to 2. That's how I shine in what I do. Piece by piece, I make it clear. Step by step, I bring things near. Tidy mind and tidy space helps me find my steady pace. I sort my thoughts, I sort my toys. I clear the mess and keep the joy. When things I need, I feel just right. My star energy feels bright. Piece by piece, I make it clear. Step by step, I bring things near. Tidy mind and tidy space helps me find my steady pace.
My folder's a mess. I tried to reorganize it and now my papers are all jumbled up. Why is it so chaotic?
Oh, Fern, sometimes when we want to make things perfect, we pull everything out at once. That can look chaotic before it gets better. It's a part of the organizing process.
But if it's normal to have a little mess before order, maybe I'm doing okay. Just need to keep going, right?
Exactly. Keep going step by step. Maybe sort your papers by subject or by color. And if it's too much, ask someone for help.
That's a good idea. I'll ask my friend to hold the folder while I label the sections. Then we can share what we organize. Like a mini harvest of ideas, huh?
Yes, a harvest of ideas. What a wonderful way to see it.